Okay, good day everyone. This is Teacher Andy at Teacher Andy's Tutorials, and for my today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the value or to evaluate the exponential notations. So, yung topic natin today is about exponential notations and its value. So, we're going now to evaluate the following exponential notations. So, bago tayo magtungo sa paghanap ng pag-evaluate ng exponential notations, alamin muna natin yung mga bahagi ng exponential notation na to. Okay, so as you can see, we have here 5 cubed or 5 raised to 3 or 5 to the third power. But most commonly, tinatawag minsan binabasa ito na 5 cubed. No? So, itong 5, tinatawag natin to na base. Okay? At itong maliit na number na nasa upper right side ng base ay tinatawag natin na exponent. Yan. Kaya siya tinawag na exponential notation. At ito naman ay tinatawag natin na repeated multiplication. Paano naging 5 times 5 times 5 ito? So, itong exponent ay tumutukoy siya kung ilang beses mo multiply or imumultiply yung base. For example, a 5 cube. So, yung 5, yung base, 3 beses mo siyang imumultiply. Multiply by 5. So, 5 times 5 times 5. Yung ba ginagawa 5 times 3, which is wrong. No, hindi siya 5 times 3. So, you're gonna multiply 5 times 5, the product of 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, so let's do this. So, 5 times 5 equals 25. And then times 5, which is 25 times 5. So, the answer would be, so let us solve. So, the answer is, so bring down 5, carry 2. So, the answer is 125. Okay? So, that is 5 cube is the equivalent, or the value of 5 cube is 125. So, let us now answer the given exponential notation and find its value by evaluating these notations, no, by using the repeated multiplication. So, ganito gagawin natin. So, in number 1, we have 3 to the 4th power or 3 raised to 4. So, we're going now to how many times we are going to multiply 3. So, that is 4. 4 na beses mo siyang i-multiply. So, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay? So, ang tawag dito ulit ay repeated multiplication. Okay? So, first, nagagawin mo is to multiply 3 times 3. So, 3 times 3 equals 9. So, we have 3 times 3 equals 9. And then, 9 times 3 equals 27. And then, 27 times 3 equals 7 times 3 equals 21. Bring down 1, carry 2. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8. So, the answer is 81. So, 3 to the 4th power equals, or the equivalent of 3 to the 4th power is 81. Okay? So, next. So, we have 6 to the 5th power or 6 raised to 5. Okay, so 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. So, it means that you are about to multiply the base 6 5 times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 6s. Alright, so let us multiply for 6 times 6 equals 36. Dito na natin sagutan. So, 36, much better, masagutan natin siya ng vertical form katulad nito. So, we have 6 times 6 equals 36 times 6 equals, so 6 times 6 equals 36. Bring down 6, carry 3. 3 times 6 equals 18 plus 3 equals 21. Times 6 again. Okay? We have 6 times 6 equals 36. Bring down 6, carry 3. 1 times 6 equals 6 plus 3 equals 9. And 2 times 6 equals 12. So we have 1,296. And the last 6, so multiplied by 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. Bring down 6, carry 3. 9 times 6 equals 54. 54 plus 3 equals 57. Bring down 7, carry 5. 2 times 6 equals 12. Plus 5 equals 17. Bring down 7, carry 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. Plus 1 equals 7. So, 6 to the 5th power is equals to 7,776. And that is our answer to number 2. Next, 4 cubed or 4 raised to 3 or 4 to the 3rd power. So, how many 4s? So, we have 3 4s. 4 times 4 times 4 equals. So, we have 4 times 4 equals 16. And then 16 times 4 equals. So, we have 4 times 6 equals 24. Bring down 4, carry 2. 4 times 1 equals 4. Plus 2 equals 6. So, the answer is 64. So, 4 cubed equals 64. Okay, next, we have 9 to the 4th power. So, how many times you are going to multiply 9? That is 4. So, yung exponent, siya yung nagbibilang kung ilang beses mo i-multiply yung number na yon sa base. So, 4 na beses. So, 9 times 9 times 9 equals. Okay, so we have 9 times 9. We have 81. Sagutan natin siya. Next is 81 times 9. Ito yan ay. 9 times 9 equals 81 and then times 9. So, we have 1 times 9 equals 9. 8 times 9 equals 72. So, 729 times 9. 9 times 9 equals 81. Bring down 1, carry 8. 2 times 9 equals 18. 18 plus 8 equals 26. Bring down 6, carry 2. 7 times 9 equals 63 plus 2 equals 65. So, 9 to the 4th power is 6,561. So, that is the answer. Then last, we have 10 to the 5th power. So, we have 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. 5th power. So, sabihin, 5 dapat yung 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let us multiply. So, we have 10 times 10 equals 100 times 10. Okay? So, hindi na natin gagawin yung ganitong proseso. Pag many zeros, ganito gagawin natin. So, yung shortcut method lang yung gagawin natin kasi kung gagawin natin yung proseso na may mahabang pag-solve na ganito, ay napakaraming zero. Ganito lang. So, since yung whole number natin is 1, so multiply lang natin yung 1. So, 1 times 1 equals 1. Tapos ilan yung 0? 1, 2, 3. Dagdag mo lang. 1, 2, 3. So, sabihin, 100 times 10 equals 1,000. Next, times 10 again. Same rule. So, we have 1 times 1 equals 1. How many zeros are there? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 10,000. And then, last 10 times 10. Okay. So, 1 times 1 again. And then, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 100,000. So, isabihin, 10 to the 5th power is equivalent to 100,000. And that is our answer. Okay? So, thank you so much guys for watching my video. And this is Teacher Andy at Teacher Andy's Simple Tutorials. So, do not forget to follow my Facebook page at Sir Andy's Tutorial. Okay? Thank you so much and God bless us all.